Hey guys, today I'm going to be cleaning my headlight lenses with Blue Magic Headlight Restorer. And I'm going to be sealing it with the Blue Magic Headlight Lens Sealer. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to come over here. Any car, this can work on any car. So what you want to do is you just want to pop your hood. Just so you can have a little bit of room to get the top of the headlight. Then you want to open it. And then use a paper towel. Put a little bit of the Blue Magic on it. Not too much. A little bit on it. And then you're going to just rub it around on here. And the instructions say if it doesn't work on the first try, just try it again. Alright, then you're going to keep on wiping it. Then after a lot of wiping, and put this cloth down. Get a new one. And have water with you so you can rinse all the extra off of it. And pour it on. You can see it's already getting more clearer. But if it's not getting clearer for you, what you can do, you can apply it a second time. See how that works out. Then just dry it off. Dry it off. Alright, now it's time for us to use the Blue Magic Headlight Sealer. What they say you should do, you just spray it on there. Spray it on there and then rub it evenly across. So just rub it evenly. And then let it dry before you drive the car again. So you can see it looks so clear, it looks like brand new. Yeah. Let it dry before you drive the car again. Alright guys, so this is how it looks with the parking lights on it, just the daytime running lights. It's really nice. You can see it's clear. You can see it white now. At first it was kind of yellow, and now it's way nicer. The beam up here, it looks nice. All the ring, the angel eye rings look nice, and I think this is worth it. So I'm going to look. Of course, I'm going to see in a few weeks if it still holds up. If not, then I will just end up probably sanding it down a little bit and put in a clear coat. But I think it's good. So this is how it looks with the lights on. I'll see you guys next video. Please like and subscribe and comment if you have any questions. See you guys later.